Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the home button from this device. So simply go to settings. Now tap on the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option touch. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option assistive touch and turn on this one. Okay. Now you can see the assistive ball. You can see here assistive touch. If you tap on this one here, you can see one home button. If you tap on this home button, you can see directly go to the home page. Right? So let me show you how to remove this home button from this device. So go to the option customize top level menu. Now just tap on the minus button. You can see now the home button is removed from this device. So if you want to reset this one, again tap on the option reset. Now you can see the home button is there. If you want to remove the button, just tap on the minus icon to remove these buttons. So in this way you can remove the home button from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.